This video provides a step-by-step walkthrough of vendor registration on PM Surya Ghar portal. Click on Login and navigate to Vendor Login. Click on the Register Now. Select your company type. Enter your company's PAN number. Upload the scanned copy of the PAN. Click on the next step. Enter your organization's name. Enter your username. This will be used for logging into the portal. Enter your email ID. Enter your mobile number. Select your state from the list. Select your district from the list. Enter your company's address. Enter the PIN code. Create a password as per the password rule defined. Re-enter the password for confirmation. Enter the GST number. Leave blank if you do not have a GST number. Upload the GST certificate, if applicable. Upload manpower and training credentials. Upload declaration as per Annexure 5. Select this button if you want to register as a national vendor. Or select this button if you want to register for a single or more than one state. If you choose to register for a single or multiple states, please select the relevant states where you want to register. Click on Submit once done with the selection. Start entering the details of the bank guarantee being submitted for this registration. Start by entering the bank name of the bank guarantee. Choose from the list of banks. Enter the bank guarantee number. Enter the date of the bank guarantee. Enter the expiry date. Upload the scanned copy of the bank guarantee. Click on the Next button to navigate to the next step. Click on the Send OTP link in order to receive an OTP on your email. Enter the email OTP in order to verify your email. Click on the Send OTP link in order to receive an OTP on your mobile. Enter the mobile OTP in order to verify your mobile number. Click on the Final Submit button. You will get a message for successful submission of your application. Click OK to exit. This video covers the steps required to submit vendor registration application on the portal. In the next video, we shall cover the steps to complete your profile which can be done once your application has been approved.